Imagine you were born, no parents, no protection, just hot sand, and around you, hundreds of hungry predators. Your very first task in life? Run. Run toward the ocean, because if you stop, you die. And here's the worst part. Out of 1,000 baby turtles, only one survives. This isn't exaggeration. This is reality. A female turtle crawls onto a beach. In the middle of the night, she digs a hole and lays over 100 eggs. Then she leaves. Forever. No love, no protection, no second chances. 2 months later, inside one of those eggs, you start to move. You have one mission: break out. Because if you don't, you will suffocate under the sand. You finally break free. You see the moonlight reflecting on the ocean, and instinct tells you, go. But the moment you step out, the attack begins. Birds dive from the sky. Crabs grab from below. Dogs tear through the sand. This isn't a journey. It's a massacre. You had over 100 siblings. Within minutes, most of them are gone. You run, slow, weak, exposed. And every second, death is chasing you. You finally reach the ocean. You think, I made it. You didn't. Because the ocean is worse. Fish circle you. Birds strike again. Something bigger waits below. You're not a survivor. You're food. And even if you escape, you're alone. No one teaches you. You either figure it out or you die. If you're lucky, you grow. You get stronger. But danger never leaves. Sharks attack, plastic chokes, nets trap, and then there are humans. You're hunted for your shell, for your meat. Sometimes you don't even see it coming. If you survive long enough, after 20, 30 years, you return to the same beach where it all began. You lay your own eggs, over 100 of them, and then you leave, just like your mother did. And deep down, you already know most of them will die. Being a turtle means your life starts with fear. Your growth is constant danger. And your survival? Pure luck. Not strength, not intelligence, just chance. And maybe that's what makes nature so terrifying. So next time you see a turtle on a beach, remember this. You're looking at a miracle.